Okay, Dr. Deuk Majan, and it's July 14, 2020. I don't have my COVID mask on, but neither does she. We just finished surgery. We did a Deuk laser disc repair, and if you watched the Deuk laser disc repair today, which is going to be on YouTube and Twitter with Periscope, Facebook, you saw her surgery. She had the grade 2 spondylolisthesis of L5 on S1 and the grade 1 listhesis of L4 on 5. We repaired the disc herniations at 5-1 and 4-5. And how are you feeling?
A lot better than I did.
Yeah, a lot better than she did when she came in. Now, if you don't mind me sharing, she's 82 years old. She told me I could tell you this. And she also has Parkinson's disease. But that didn't stop her from getting her back fixed, did it?
I want to get back to normal.
Wants to get back to normal. So before surgery, what kind of problems did you have? Did you have back pain?
Yes, I did. Very bad.
And in your right leg?
Yeah. Sciatica.
Sciatica. And do you still have that back pain that you had 2 hours ago when
No,
you
I
came
don't.
here?
The only thing I have is right. Well, since it is.
So, I don't mean to interrupt you, but so she said no, she doesn't have the back pain. So your back pain's gone.
Yes, it is.
Cured.
Well, right now it is.
Well, right now we don't have you on any medicine.
Oh, really? That's good. It feels
so
better.
It's gone. And the right leg, how does that feel?
Well, I talked to him. It feels good.
But no pain down the leg now. No leg pain, it's gone. So another patient cured with Deuk laser disc repair, endoscopic surgery at Deuk Spine Institute. Congratulations.
Thank you. You're wonderful.
Go home and take it easy. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
You're wonderful too.